f of kx comma ky equal to k raised to n f of x comma y, where n is the degree. N is the degree of this homogeneous function. N is the degree of this homogeneous function. Okay. If u is homogeneous function, then x ux plus y uy equal to. If u is homogeneous, then x ux plus y uy equal to n into u. N into u. If u is not homogeneous, if u is not homogeneous, but f of u is homogeneous, then by Euler theorem, x ux plus y uy equal to. U is not homogeneous, but f of u is homogeneous. Then x ux plus y uy equal to n f of u divided by f dash u. N f of u divided by f dash u. Okay. If u is homogeneous, then x square uxx plus 2xy uxy plus y square uyy equal to. Very nice. N minus 1 into u. N minus 1 into u. If u is non-homogeneous, but f of u is homogeneous, then x square uxx plus 2xy uxy plus y square uyy equal to small f of u. Here it is small f of u. Then first of all we should find out capital F of u from small f of u, and then this is nothing but f of u into f of u into f dash u minus 1. Only this much is the formula, f of u f dash u minus 1. And what is capital F of u? What is capital F of u? Very good. N f of u divided by f dash u. N f of u divided by f dash u, where n is the degree of this homogeneous function. So this theorem you need to remember. And maxima minima. So f of x is any function of x. Then if I equate f dash x equal to 0, what I get? By equating f dash x equal to 0, what I get? If f dash x equal to 0, we get stationary point. We get stationary point. So at stationary point, either we get maxima or we get minima. At the stationary points, we get the maxima, function is maximum or function is minimum. Now suppose if I calculate double derivative at stationary point and that double derivative is positive, is greater than 0, then what we get? We get the minima. If double derivative is positive at the stationary point, we get the minima. We get the minimum value of the function. We come to know that the function has minimum value at the stationary point. हमको सिर्फ ये पता चलता कि फंक्शन हमारा मिनिमम है इस वाले स्टेशनरी पॉइंट पे, और f dash x, f double dash x at stationary point is negative. तो फिर हमको क्या पता चलता है? That the function is maximum at this stationary point. इस स्टेशनरी पॉइंट पे फंक्शन हमारा मैक्सिमम रहेगा. We just get that information whether the function will be minimum at the stationary point or function will be maximum at the stationary point by taking double derivative. And if I ask you what is the maximum value of function, so you need to calculate f of x given function at stationary point. Substitute stationary point in f of x, we will get the maximum value. Substitute stationary point in f of x, we get the minimum value according to the condition. Now x raised to n dx, x raised to n dx, integration x raised to n dx, x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, 1 by x dx log x plus c, log x plus c, dx upon under root a square minus x square, dx upon under root a square minus x square, sin inverse x by a, sin inverse x by a, dx upon x square plus a square, one by a tan inverse x by a, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, dx upon x square minus a square, next dx upon x square minus a square, so 1 by 2a log x minus a upon x plus a, 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a. Okay, first tell me numerator terms, integration 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to n x dx. First tell me the numerator terms. First tell me numerator term. Zero to pi by 2 sin raised to n x dx equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to n x dx. First tell me the numerator terms. N minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5 up to k. These are the numerator terms. N minus 1, n minus 3 up to k. Now tell me the denominator terms. N, n minus 2, n minus 4, like that. So these are the denominator terms. Now what is k if n is even? If n value is even, n is even, what is k? Pi by 2. If n is even, k equal to pi by 2. If n is odd, k equal to 1. Yes, k equal to 1. Now integration 0 to a f of x dx equal to integration 0 to a dx by the property f of x minus a log f of x. Okay, any other? Integration 0 to a f of x dx equal to, so Prajwal, please make correction, it is f of a minus x. So simple property f of a minus x. So you must remember this property that integration 0 to a f of x dx equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. a minus x है, ठीक है? Then integration minus a to a f of x dx equal to, you just tell me what is the number here? 2 f of x dx. If function is even, 2 times 0 to a, not minus a to a, 0 to a f of x dx. So minus a to a f of x dx equal to 2 times integration 0 to a f of x dx. If function is even, that means f of x equal to f of minus x. And if f of x is odd, then this integration is 0. Then this integration is 0. So whenever you see the question based on the limits minus a to a, you must recall this property. Whenever you see the question having integration limits minus a to a, you must recall this property. Either it will be even or it will be odd. For example, integration minus pi to pi sine cube x dx. So minus pi to pi. So sine cube is an odd function. Sine cube x is an odd function. So minus a to a is there. So answer is 0. Answer for this question is 0. And if the function is even, like minus pi to pi sine raised to 4x dx. So this becomes 2 times 0 to pi sine raised to power 4x dx, because the sine raised to power 4x is a even function. Then integration 0 to n a f of x dx equal to n times integration 0 to a f of x dx if what is the condition here? Signal is periodic. Very good. So f of a plus x equal to f of x. F of x equal to f of a plus x. Signal is periodic. F of x equal to f of x plus a or x a plus x. So recall all these property. Okay. So based on these properties, questions are possible. Then in the minima maxima question, along with our procedure, you must also check the function at interval at these points A and B. You must also check at this point. Along with the stationary point, you must calculate the function values at these end points of the interval. Because what happens? So this can be one function. This can be one function. This is our interval A to B. This is our interval A to B. So we get the stationary point here, maximum value at this stationary point. But when our method does not give a second stationary point, that stationary point can be here because interval is big. So this can also be the stationary point, and this stationary point we can have the maximum value. तो हमारा जो फंक्शन के लिमिटेशन है कि वो यही वाला फंक्शन, पहला जो भी स्टेशनरी पॉइंट मिलता है उसको ही कैलकुलेट करता है, दूसरा स्टेशनरी पॉइंट को कैलकुलेट नहीं करता जहां पे मैक्सिमा या मिनिमम मिलेगा. तो यू मस्ट ऑल्सो चेक एट दिस एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ द इंटरवल. ओके, क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. Minimum value of f of x equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 24x plus 100 in the interval minus 3 to plus 3 is. So we have to calculate the value, minimum value of our function. First, tell me in the chat box stationary points. I am waiting for your answer. What are the stationary points? What are the stationary points? Anyone? What are the stationary points? We are going step by step. We will go step by step. Anyone? Stationary points? Minus 2, 4. Okay. 4 minus 2, that is also correct. So to get the stationary point, we need to differentiate. We need to equate f dash. We need to find f dash x and equate with 0. So x cube derivative 3x square. 3x square derivative minus 6x minus 24x derivative minus 24 equal to 0. That means x square minus 2x minus 12 equal to 0. Get the factors in calculator. The factors are nothing but minus 2 and 4. So these two are the stationary points. Now find out f double dash x. First tell me what is f double dash x. So derivative of this f dash x, that means 6x minus 6. Now f double dash x at minus 2, greater than 0 or less than 0? At minus 2, it is greater than 0 or less than 0? Less than 0. So it is minus 18, it is less than 0. We are interested in just the greater than 0 or less than 0. So it is less than 0. So at this point, what we will get, maxima or minima? At minus 2, we will get maxima or minima? ये लेस देन 0 आया तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? मिनिमा. We will get maxima. Sorry, maxima. We will get maxima at this point. At x equal to minus 2, we will get the maxima. If it is less than 0, we get the maxima. We get the maxima. And also calculate f double dash x at 4. So that is nothing but 6 into 4, 24 minus 6, that is plus 18, greater than 0. So at 4, we will get minima. Okay. Then हमसे पूछे क्या थे उन्होंने? मिनिमम वैल्यू. तो मिनिमा कहां पे मिल रहा? 4 पे. So we need to put 4, but 4 is out of this interval. 4 is not present in the interval. So no need to calculate at 4. No need to calculate at 4. Simply calculate at these endpoints. So at minus 3, you calculate the function. At 3, you calculate the function. At minus 3, you calculate the function. At 3, you calculate the function. So minus 3 cube. Minus 3 into 9. Minus 3 into 24. Plus 72 plus 100. So at minus 3, if I calculate this function, it becomes 3 cube minus 27 minus 3 into 9, that means again minus 27 minus 3 into 24 plus 72 plus 100, जो कि बहुत ग्रेटर वैल्यू. हमसे क्वेश्चन में मिनिमम वैल्यू पूछे हुए. ये नंबर कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा नंबर है, मतलब ये मैक्सिमम नंबर होगा. It is around greater than 120. Okay, no need to think about this because we are interested in the minimum value. Now at 3 you calculate. So 3 cube, that means 27. 3 square, that means 9 into 3 minus 27 minus 72 plus 100. So that means 28. So we are getting 28. We are getting 28. Now think about this question. Think about this question. By following the procedure, we get the stationary point as minus 2 and 4. minus 2 पे आपको क्या मिल रहा था? मैक्सिमम मिल रहा था because second derivative is less than 0. तो क्या हो रहा है? ये फंक्शन कैसा है? ये होगा minus 2 यहाँ पे होगा 4, यहाँ पे होगा 4 और minus 2 पे हमको क्या मिल रहा? मैक्सिमा. तो यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम है फंक्शन. बाद में वो फंक्शन डिक्रीज हो रहा. That function is decreasing. And at 4, we are getting the minimum value. At 4, we are getting what? Minimum value. After that, again, this function will increase. फिर से देखो इधर, ये -2 हो गया, ये 4 हो गया. तो -2 पे मैक्सिमम था, बाद में ये फंक्शन डिक्रीज हो रहा. 4 पे मिनिमम हो गया फंक्शन. तो यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम था. मैक्सिमम कब मिलेगा? पहले वो मिनिमम से स्टार्ट होगा. Okay, so in the given interval, we are getting minimum at 3 and answer is 28. From options, answer is 28. So our method just gives us that whether function is increasing or decreasing. हमको हमारी मेथड से ये पता थी फंक्शन इंक्रीज कहाँ पे था, डिक्रीज कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, minimum value of this function occurs at. So we just have to find out the stationary points. We have to find the stationary points only. बिकॉज ऑकर सेट फंक्शन कब मिनिमम होगा ये पूछे भाई, मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन ऑकर सेट, मिनिमम कब होगा फंक्शन, only that information they have asked, they have not asked the minimum value, minimum value occurs at, you can apply this logic from the options that this is nothing but the x minus 1 square. Square of any number is always positive. Square of any number is always positive. कोई भी नंबर का स्क्वायर हमेशा पॉजिटिव मिलता, ठीक है। तो आप कुछ भी नंबर इंसर्ट करेंगे वो पॉजिटिव वैल्यू मिलेगी, बट इफ आई इंसर्ट 1 हियर then this value is 0 and that is the minimum value. The answer for this question is 1, because if I put 1 here this function becomes 0 and that is the only minimum value of this function because it is a square function. This is nothing but one square function, and if you follow our procedure we get the stationary point as 1, you will get the stationary point as 1, and at this stationary point double derivative will be negative, so 1 is the answer. One more, minimum value, maximum value occurs at, maximum value occurs at, that we have to find, and one function is given x square e raised to minus x. Options 2, 1, 0, minus 1. The maximum value of the function occurs at. We just have to find out the stationary point, and these are the 4 options. So how to get the stationary points? Differentiate. So what will be f dash x? This is u into v, so x square constant, e raised to minus x derivative minus e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x constant, derivative of x square 2x, and this we have to equate with 0. This is equal to 0. So I can take some terms common, e raised to x I can take common, e raised to minus x I can take common, so it becomes minus x square plus 2x. Okay, one student is giving answer to maximum value occurs at 2. Let's check. Stationary points are 0 and 2. तो आप लोगों को कुछ नॉलेज रहना चाहिए, you must have some knowledge that this is an exponential function, this is an exponential function, and it is always positive. This function is always positive. At minus infinity this function becomes 0. E raised to minus infinity is 0. बाद में ये function जो है वो positive function है, so equal to 0. So this will go to that side, so becomes 0. So minus x square plus 2x equal to 0. So I will get x minus 2 equal to 0. So stationary points are x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. These two are the stationary points. These two are the stationary points. Okay. Now इसका डबल डेरिवेटिव, ये f dash x हो गया था हमारा, f double dash x फाइंड आउट करो. f double dash x will be e raised to minus x constant, derivative of minus x square minus 2x plus 2x का डेरिवेटिव 2 plus this term constant x square plus 2x constant, derivative of e raised to minus x So e raised to minus x into minus 1. So here it is minus. Now substitute x equal to 0. X equal to 0 put करो. E raised to 0 1. 0. ये plus 2. तो ये 0 plus 2 2. 2 into 1 2. पहला टर्म 2 हो गया. Minus here 0 0. 0 into 1 0. So answer is 2. It is greater than 0. So we get minima at x equal to 0. Now you substitute x equal to 2 in f double dash x. Substitute x equal to 2 in f double dash x. So f double dash x equal to at 2. So its value is e raised to minus 2. We are not interested in value. We are interested whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0. ठीक है. Minus 4 plus 2 मतलब minus 2 minus of 4 plus 4 that means 0. ये टर्म हो गई 0. तो ओवरऑल आंसर क्या मिल रहा है आपको? लेस देन 0. At x equal to 2 we are getting maxima. And in the question what they have asked, maximum value of the function occurs at 2. F double dash x is less than 0. That means maximum value occurs at x equal to 2. Clear है? If it is clear, reply in chat box with C. If this question is clear, reply in chat box with C. I will explain it once again. एक फंक्शन गिवन था, ये फंक्शन गिवन था, हमको पूछे थे कि ये मैक्सिमम कब होगा? When this function will be maximum. That means we have to find out the stationary point. So I have determined the f dash x. By equating f dash x equal to 0, I got two stationary points, x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. I have determined f double dash x. Now I have substituted the stationary point. When I substitute x equal to 0, the f double dash x is greater than 0. That means minima. When I substitute x equal to 2, f double dash x is less than 0. That means maxima. So at x equal to 2, we get the maximum value of the function. At x equal to 2, we get the maximum value of the function. Okay. This question you try. F of x equal to x e raised to minus x. Maximum value is, what is the maximum value? In interval 0 comma infinity. In the interval 0 comma infinity. पहला स्टेप है स्टेशनरी पॉइंट. तो f dash x कांस्टेंट, e raised to minus x डेरिवेटिव माइनस e raised to minus x प्लस e raised to minus x कांस्टेंट डेरिवेटिव of x 1. So again equate this with 0. I can take e raised to minus x common, minus x plus 1 equal to 0. So my stationary point is, ये उधर चले जाएगा 0 हो गया, minus x plus 1 equal to 0. So my stationary point is x equal to 1. Only one stationary point I am getting, that is x equal to 1. Now I will calculate f double dash x. So f double dash x, so derivative of this thing, e raised to minus x constant, derivative of minus x plus 1, minus x का derivative minus 1, plus 1 का derivative 0, plus this term constant, minus x plus 1 constant, e raised to minus x का derivative e raised to minus x into minus e raised to minus x. Now substitute x equal to 1. Okay, first of all I will just write what is f dash x, f double dash x minus, then this minus. So that is nothing but minus 2 e raised to minus x plus x e raised to minus x. Now substitute x equal to 1 here. Calculate f double dash x at x equal to 1. So it comes out as minus 2 into e raised to minus 1 plus 1 into e raised to minus 1. तो ये क्या हो गया? माइनस ई रेस टू माइनस 1, माइनस ई रेस टू माइनस 1. ये ग्रेटर देन 0 है या लेस देन 0 है? लेस देन 0 है. लेस देन 0 है, एफ डबल डैश एक्स लेस देन 0 है, मतलब मैक्सिमा होगा या मिनिमा होगा? मैक्सिमा होगा, बिकॉज डबल डेरिवेटिव क्या है? लेस देन 0 है. तो इट इज नथिंग बट मैक्सिमा एट एक्स इक्वल टू 1. हमसे क्या पूछे थे? मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कितनी है? तो हमको ये पता चल गया कि 1 पे वो मैक्सिमा है. तो 1 इसमें पुट कर दो. तो एफ ऑफ वन कितना हो जाएगा, 1 इंटू ई रेस टू माइनस वन, तो आंसर इज ई रेस टू माइनस वन। ओके, ठीक है, चलो। बट यू शुड ऑल्सो चेक, you should also check. Okay, I will just write the options. So this is one of the option. Other options were e 1 minus e inverse and last option was 1 plus e inverse. ठीक है, ये हमारा ऑप्शन था, मैच हो गया। मैंने आपको बोले भाई आपने इस पे भी चेक करना चाहिए, जीरो पे भी और इन्फिनिटी पे भी। आप जीरो पुट करेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 0 इंटू 1 0। आप इन्फिनिटी पुट करेंगे, इन्फिनिटी इंटू ई रेस टू माइनस इन्फिनिटी, ई रेस टू माइनस इन्फिनिटी इज 0, तो एफ ऑफ एक्स इज 0। Okay, so at these points it is coming 0, and at f of 1 it is nothing but e raised to minus 1, which is nothing but I think 0.63, sorry 0.36. So maximum value of the function is e raised to minus 1. I hope it is clear. ये फंक्शन गिवन था, हमको इसकी मैक्सिमम वैल्यू पूछे थे, डिफरेंशिएट किए, वी गेट द स्टेशनरी पॉइंट, then we have calculated f double dash x at the stationary point, it is less than 0, that means maximum is at x equal to 1, x equal to 1 पुट करके मैक्सिमम वैल्यू मिल गई e raised to minus 1, जो कि ऑप्शन में प्रेजेंट था। आपने ये एंड पॉइंट्स पे भी कैलकुलेट करना है, एंड पॉइंट्स पे कैलकुलेट किए तो 0 मिल रहा, मिनिमम वैल्यू मिल रही। f of x equal to x minus 1, x minus 2, what is maximum value, what is maximum value in the interval 1 to 2, 1,2। चलो पहले मुझे स्टेशनरी पॉइंट बताओ जल्दी से, फर्स्ट टेल मी द स्टेशनरी पॉइंट्स। यू कैन सिंप्लीफाई दिस, x constant x square minus 3x plus 2, then multiply x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. This is my function. Tell me the stationary point. I am waiting. बहुत जल्दी निकल जाते स्टेशनरी पॉइंट। जीरो टू स्टेशनरी पॉइंट 0 2 है क्या? बाकी लोग स्टेशनरी पॉइंट 2 0 1। अरे ये एक्स एफ ऑफ एक्स है, एफ ऑफ एक्स से स्टेशनरी पॉइंट नहीं मिलता, आपको एफ डैश एक्स फाइंड करना पड़ेगा। तो 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 2, यू हैव टू फाइंड द फैक्टर्स। 2 0 1 कैसे मिल रहा है आपको? दो, ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है, दो ही वैल्यूज मिलेगी। डिग्री इज 2 हियर, सो यू विल गेट ओनली 2 वैल्यूज, 0 2। ओम मानसी प्लीज करेक्ट अगेन, you have given me three values equal to 0। 0 मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि 0 इज द आंसर। फैक्टर्स हाँ आप निकले बरोबर, फैक्टर्स 1 1 1 1 भी नहीं है, सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा। 3 इंटू 1 1 माइनस 6 प्लस 2 नहीं। फैक्टर्स जल्दी से बताओ, 1.4 1.5 0.4 1.4 1.5 0.4। चलो अभी आए करेक्ट फैक्टर्स। फैक्टर्स आर 1.5 and 0.4, so these are two are the stationary points, these two are the stationary points, 1.5 0.4। यस चलो, हाँ स्टेशनरी पॉइंट हो गया। नेक्स्ट एफ डबल डैश एक्स, डिफरेंशिएट करो फिर से एक बार इसको। 3x स्क्वायर, 3 कांस्टेंट x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव 2x, तो 6x माइनस 6। एफ डबल डैश एक्स एट x इक्वल टू 1.5 ग्रेटर देन 0 और लेस देन 0। f double dash x at x equal to 1.5 greater than 0 or less than 0? Greater than 0. Greater than 0. तो यहाँ पे मिनिमा, यहाँ पे मिनिमा. नाउ 0.4 x इक्वल टू 0.4. तो इसमें 6x माइनस 6 में पुट करना है. 6x माइनस 6 में 6x माइनस 6 में 0.4 पुट करो, इट विल बी निगेटिव. So we get the maxima. 6 into 0.4, 2.4 minus 6 minus 3.6 less than 0. That means maxima. ठीक है. तो पूछे क्या अभी देख लेते. यस, लेस देन 0 मतलब मैक्सिमा. क्वेश्चन में पूछे क्या है, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू पूछे. मैक्सिमम कब मिल रहा वो 0.4 पे. सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो 0.4. in this you put 0.4. so what is f of 0.4? so 0.4 minus 1 that means minus 0.6. 0.4 minus 2 that means minus 1.6. just use calculator, tell me the answer. very good. 0.384 माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. 0.6 इंटू 0.4 2.24 इंटू 1.6 0.384. तो 0.384. तो 0.384 इज द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ दिस फंक्शन. मैंने आपको बोले भाई ये इंटरवल पे भी चेक करो. चलो 1 डालेंगे यहाँ पे 1 1 माइनस 1 0 0 हो गया. 2 डालेंगे 2 2 माइनस 1 1 2 माइनस 2 0 तो 0 हो गया. तो 0 मिल रहा है. ये 1 डालने पे 0 मिल रहा है, 2 डालने पे 0 मिल रहा है, बट 0.4 डालने में 0.384 मिल रहा है. सो मैक्सिमम आंसर इज 0.384. एंड अगेन दिस 0.4 इज प्रेजेंट इन बिटवीन. 0.4 is present between 1 and 2. It is not present in between 1 and 2. It is not present in between 1 and 2. So this is not the answer. 0.384 is not the answer because 0.4 is not present in this interval. तो आप क्या करेंगे. अब क्या करेंगे. आपसे मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 1 और 2 के बीच में पूछे. आपसे मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 1 और 2 के बीच में पूछे. So this is a gate question. That's why there is a twist. हाँ, 1 पे 0 मिल रहा, 2 पे 0 मिल रहा, राइट. 1 पे 0 मिल रहा, 2 पे 0 मिल रहा. और आपको ये क्या मिला था यहाँ पे 0.4 पे मैक्सिमम मिला था. ये यहाँ पे 0.4 होगा, यहाँ पे 1 होगा और यहाँ पे 2 होगा. आपको 0.4 पे क्या मिला था मैक्सिमा और 1.5 पे मिनिमा. 0.4 पे मैक्सिमा मिला था, तो यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम था फंक्शन. बाद में 1.5 पे हमारा फंक्शन मिनिमा हो गया था. ये 1.5 पे, तो बाद में ये वापस इंक्रीज होना चालू होगा. तो आवर फंक्शन इज लाइक दिस. इट इज क्रॉसिंग 0 एट दिस. थोड़ा लॉजिक अप्लाई करो स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज अप्लाई लॉजिक. दिस इज 0.4 ईयर, दिस इज 1 ईयर, दिस इज 2 ईयर, दिस इज माई f of x. At 1 function is 0, at 2 function is 0. So this is this type of function. Because 2 पे फंक्शन की वैल्यू क्या थी 0 थी, की वैल्यू क्या थी 0 थी, और 1.5 पे हमको मिनिमा मिल रहा था. तो ये कुछ इस तरीके का फंक्शन होगा आपका. पहले मैक्सिमम मिला 0.4 पे और 1.5 पे मिनिमा मिला. ओके, सो इन दिस इंटरवल मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इज 0. आंसर इज 0. आंसर इज 0. अगर किसी को और कुछ वेरीफाई करना है, आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज 0. इफ एनीबॉडी वांट्स टू वेरीफाई दिस, ही कैन पुट 1.1, आंसर विल बी नेगेटिव. ही कैन पुट 1.2, आंसर विल बी नेगेटिव. तो एट ऑल दिस वैल्यूज आंसर विल बी नेगेटिव. चेक कर सकते हैं आप, आंसर नेगेटिव मिलेगा. तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ दिस आंसर इज 0.